Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy J Tang. So today we're gonna unbox the Cortez Kenny 2s. But before I start unboxing, just a little background information. These as of now are only available from the All-Star Weekend on Saturday. You have to pick these up in person from LA. And to the first 150 people that were in line, you get to purchase these as well, which are some shorts and tall socks that go with the Nike Cortez. If you didn't know, Cortez is a West Coast shoe, and a lot of like cholos and gangbangers love wearing the Nike Cortez, and they wear it with shorts and the long socks. So that's pretty much like the outfit or the joke. And got this package in size large. As you can see, it says "damn" on the bottom of the shorts. I'm not gonna open these. I'm trying to like flip these on eBay for money. So if you're interested in the size large, go on eBay and search for Cortez Kenny shorts or Kendrick Lamar shorts package, whatever, and you should be able to find my eBay listing. And all right, so here's the box. It's a little nice matte finish. I really like it. It feels very nice, like a Jordan box. And yes, it says "damn." And I got size 10.5, Cortez Kenny 2. And I don't know if you can see it from the lighting, but it says Cortez Kenny right there. Very nice. You can actually feel it too. It's kind of, yeah, it pops out. And these retail for $100 US. And the resale right now is about $200-300. And yep. All right, so I finally got the box open. It actually takes a little bit of effort to open the box because you have to be really careful. As the pulling mechanism, the back of the box gets caught right here. So don't yank this out or you'll ruin this beautiful glossy matte finish box. All right, let's get to the wrapping paper because Kendrick's a rapper. All right, it says "damn." It looks beautiful, beautiful design. There we go. And there's Kendrick staring at you. What's up? I'm Kendrick. All right. Boom. Boom. Here's the shoe. I'm going to set this right here. And let's take a look at the right shoe. I love the color red, and that's the main reason why I got this shoe, to be honest, because like most Jordan heads, my favorite color is red. But I also respect Kendrick and what he does. And the Chinese characters right here, if you're wondering, it means "damn" in Chinese, and in Mandarin it's pronounced "gai si de." And the shoe is very nice. And only the white part, it's in leather, and the heel part of the red, it's made of leather. Okay, so it probably won't crease too much. And another part that really sticks out is that this Cortez has a heel tab. And there's a Nike logo right there. Yeah, it's a heel tab. It comes up here. And it also extends from the tongue of the shoe that goes over the Nike symbol to the bottom of the laces right there. And it says "don't trip." All right? It's really cool. It really makes the shoe like stand out, like what's going on there. You know, like you don't see that in most Cortezes. All right, and here's the bottom, just white Cortez. Yep. And all right, here's the insole of the shoes. And the coolest part of the shoes, I think, it's right here. It's kind of like this running joke. It says Nike Cortez, preferably wear with shorts and tall socks. As I mentioned before, it's kind of like this LA gangster cholo kind of thing. I like how he keeps the LA culture going in the shoe. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And same thing on the left side of the shoe. I forgot to mention the direction of the text, "don't trip." They both go the same way, so you have to like get on this side to read it. So if you want to show these shoes off, just put your right side forward, man. All right. All right, so overall, I really like the shoes so far, and I'm going to have a much more detailed with my shoes on feet for you later. So stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe for that. And once again, don't forget my eBay listing for the socks and shorts. Just eBay Cortez Kenny 2 shorts and tall socks, and you'll find them. All right. Like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy J Tang. Thanks for watching. Peace.